Create your own AI virtual presenter in minutes. Have you ever imagined creating professional videos without showing your face, using only the power of artificial intelligence? In this video, I will show you how to create a realistic AI virtual presenter by combining three powerful AI tools: ChatGPT, HeyGen, and MiniMax. With ChatGPT, we can generate professional scripts and creative ideas. With MiniMax, we can create realistic AI voices and enhance the natural feeling of the presenter. And with HeyGen, we can transform everything into a lifelike digital avatar that can speak, express emotions, and present your content like a real human. No camera, no studio, and no expensive equipment are needed. Let's discover how AI technology can help anyone create amazing videos faster and easier than ever before.
First, go to ChatGPT and create the script or narration for the video you want your AI presenter to deliver. You can also record your own voice if you prefer. But if you are not confident with your speaking skills, ChatGPT can help you create a professional and engaging script based on your topic. After ChatGPT generates the narration, you can go to MiniMax.io to convert your text into a realistic AI voice. Here, you will find many different languages and voice options with various tones and styles. You can choose voices from young to old, with different accents and regional styles, depending on the type of content you want to create. Once you finish generating the voice file, you can export it as an audio format such as MP3 or WAV. The next step is to access HeyGen. This platform provides many powerful AI video creation tools with different features, such as AI generator, course lesson video, translate any video, and many other options. However, in this tutorial, I will use the photo to video feature to create an AI virtual presenter. First, on the right side of the screen, upload the image you want to use as your AI presenter. Then, on the left side, upload the AI voice file that you created earlier. After that, simply click Generate. Now, all you need to do is wait for a few minutes, relax, and enjoy a cup of coffee while HeyGen creates your video. And here is the result, an AI virtual presenter that looks exactly like the image you uploaded, with realistic facial movements, natural gestures, and perfectly synchronized lip movements matching the audio. The final result looks incredibly professional, and it is becoming harder and harder to tell that this video was created entirely by artificial intelligence. If you find this AI technology useful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.